nó cái nhóc cái lưng cho nó phần bình được
all right. Wait a minute. Let us go to the radio team. Why they get paid? We're young and we're young and jack up for the water. You want one day? I'm telling you, the poor, you want to come control. Like for the land, where they go, yeah. What you doing,
Okay, now I know. Let us do the last thing. At this time, I have seen Pastor Korani and Pastor Lucas have stood up with an official certificate of the organization of Gambela Field, printed in the office of the General Conference East Central Africa Division. So I will ask the union officers of Ethiopia, the president, the treasurer, the secretary to come forward. Together with the new officers of the new Gambela Field